Good day everyone and welcome to another video. In this episode, we are going to show you what is the latest here in Kaya Plus Homes Naik. If you are one or isa ka sa mga maswerteng nauna na bumili dito, ito na yung update na para sa iyo. Kaya watch this video until the end para maging updated ka at maging excited ka sa bago mong bahay kapag ka na-turn over na yung property sa iyo. You're looking right now at a drone shot. And on the left side portion is phase 2 and on the right side is a mixture of phase 1 and phase 2 of the development. So guys meron pa tong promo kaya kung hindi ka pa nakakabili baka ito na yung property na para sa iyo. Inaantay mo lang makita ano ba ang itsura ng Kaya Plus Homes Naik. Kaya watch this video until the end dahil ang monthly DP nito is until 15 months pa sagad maximum, no? Kaya panoorin mo, baka magustuhan mo itong property nito at mga features nito.
So, we are here in Kaya Homes Naik. As you can see, there's a rainwater harvest tank. And this is located along the Tagaytay-Indang Road. So going there is Naik, going up here is to Tagaytay. So this is a major thoroughfare and you have a direct access in this area. So if you're looking for a place that is affordable, a reservation fee is only 7,500 and a down payment for as low as 8,000 or 6,375 monthly, and this can be availed through Pag-ibig. So there are other special features, so watch the video and finish it so you will know the different features of the townhouse units here in Kaya Plus Homes Naik. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more prime properties and affordable properties like this if you're looking for one. So guys, as you can see, the gate has already been up and it's constructed already, and this is the public utility terminal for the homeowners. So, and at the back of which is the multipurpose clubhouse. Okay. So again, this is Kaya Plus Homes Naik, and the gate is already up. Alright, good afternoon everyone. We are here in Kaya Homes Naik. As you can see, the gate is already finished. It's already installed and they are finishing the multipurpose clubhouse. This is your update here in Kaya Plus Homes Naik, and over there we can see that there are already houses. This is already phase 2. What you're seeing is already phase 2. That's why if you haven't reserved a unit here or you're looking for one, this could be an option for you. So this is phase 2. Over that one is phase 1. So we're going around just to give you an update here in Kaya Plus Homes Naik.
So here we are guys, and we are going to go around the Kaya Plus Homes Naik project. Tingnan nyo kung nasang phase kayo, kung naalala nyo kung anong block and lot number kayo para malaman nyo kung ayos na ba yung bahay nyo at pwede na kayong mag-turn over. Actually, there are some homeowners who are already transferred at nakatira na dito sa loob ng Kaya Homes. So ito yung some of the developments that are ongoing. Andyan pa din po yung model units natin at yung ating sales office. Diyan yung tinignan yung inyong model unit nung wala pa yung mga actual ready for occupancy units, no? So ayan. Pag-akyat natin, pagkanan natin, this is phase 1 of the development. So makikita nyo that kung ano man yung nai-promise ni City Homes nung binibenta ito ay yun din yung actual na turnover, pati yung color, pati yung facade o yung harap ng bahay, pati yung blocks, eksaktong-eksakto to the drawings nung tayo ay namimili. So di ba napakaganda, nandun na rin naka built in na rin yung mga rainwater harvest system na isa sa mga features ng Kaya Plus Homes dahil ito ay isang anti-El Nino feature dito sa development na ito. Nakikita nyo rin na nandun na yung mga grills, window grills para sa inyong security, and napaka aliwalas ng color, modern design ng color ng mga townhouse units. Okay. So, kung may mga questions kayo guys, comment on the comment section below. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please consider subscribing kung naghahanap kayo ng properties or naghahanap kayo ng mga bagong updates sa mga properties na nabili nyo, baka nandito ito sa aming channel. So, yan, yung ibang blocks and lots. So, almost done na pala yung phase 1 no, sa pag-ikot natin. Diba, ang bilis nilang gumawa. Ito naman yung sa kabilang side. No? So, meron pa po tayong mga available lots and units dito sa Kaya Homes Naik, and meron silang ongoing promo today na ang reservation natin is only 7,500 at ang inyong down payment is only 8%. So that means for as low as 6,375 monthly, makaka-avail na kayo dito through Pag-ibig Financing, at meron pa siyang rainwater catchment or harvest system. So ano pang inaantay nyo guys? Tawag na kung Pag-ibig member ka para matulungan namin kayo to avail your first home or your first investment here in Kaya Homes Naik. At ito ay located sa Naik Indang Road. So ito pala yung magiging central water system ng Kaya. Ayan, may mga ongoing construction pa. So dito may mga choices tayo for the down payment. So ayan, meron tayong mga 6 months down payment, monthly DP of 9 months, 12 months, and 15 months. So kung kukunin natin yung the longest monthly DP, which is only 7,650, and this is for a regular unit here in Kaya Plus Homes Naik. Ito ay ang Helena model at meron siyang lot area na 38 square meters at meron siyang floor area na 43 square meters. And this is through Pag-ibig Financing. So, kung kukunin natin yung monthly DP na 7,650, this means that it's still ongoing construction or hindi pa nagsisimula ang construction. And ang estimated monthly amortization nyo is 8,216 only through Pag-ibig.
Alright. So, this is phase 1. As you can see, almost built yung phase 1 natin. So if you isa ka sa mga nakakuha dito sa phase 1, okay na yung bahay nyo. So just continue with the payments. So one advantage of getting a Kaya Homes house is that you have a rainwater storage as an anti-El Nino, and that is I think 500 liters of water tank. So this is your back portion, that's your proposed kitchen, and over here that is the actual turnover of the unit. Okay, so kung hindi ka pa nakakuha dito, may promo, ongoing promo dito sa Kaya Plus Homes Naik. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Ikot na ikot pa tayo, ha? We will highlight some of the amenities again in this area.
And guys, kung naghahanap ka naman ng regular end unit dito sa Kaya Homes Naik, ang price is nasa 1.7 million, 1.719,183. And ang monthly DP mo for 15 months, which is the longest, is at 12,679. And ang estimated monthly amortization mo kung 30 years is 9,477. So kung may questions kayo guys, do comment on the comment section below, or you may call, text, Viber us, or WhatsApp us at our number at 0920-562-4098 for more information. So, aside from Pag-ibig financing, meron ding bank financing ang Kaya Plus Homes Naik. So, kung hindi ka member ng Pag-ibig, wag mag-alala dahil available naman ang bank financing. At ito ang sample computation niya. This is for a regular end unit here in Kaya Plus Homes Naik. By the way, the lot area for the end unit is at 57 square meters, guys. So, ang monthly DP nyo is at 10,795, good for 15 months. And ang inyong estimated monthly amortization for 20 years is at 12,465. The difference is, mas maikli lang ng konti ang bank financing because it can accommodate only up to 20 years. So, guys, kung may question, call us at our number at 0920-562-4098 or comment on the comment section below and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So ito, umiikot pa rin tayo. We're just going around the development. Dito marami pang ginagawa or marami pang ongoing construction dito sa lugar na to. Yan. So this is Block 43. So kung nakabili ka dito sa Block 43, ongoing ang construction ng iyong bahay or almost tapos na nga Kung makikita natin yung Block 43, painted na yung walls outside and almost done na. So guys, give us a follow, please subscribe to our channel.